subscribe to Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do so, God will bless you. Don't also forget to follow my Facebook page, indigenous and fans. Do that and be blessed. OTA-AKARA loading. OTA-AKARA loading. For the bomb. For the bomb.
That's it. Let's break it. He's not catches. He does camera now. Let's break. I don't forget to come down the logo of the men. Let's break.
Nobody help me. You're not able to
My name is Rita Tony Edochie. The title of this bombshell that is coming your way is called OTA-AKARA. Please subscribe to Chief Imo Comedy. That is where you're going to watch this bombshell. I played a funny role. I needed this guy as my boyfriend. What's his name again? One stupid boy like that. I just needed him. I love him. I needed his love. I needed his attention. But because almost everybody in this same movie, in our clan, wants him, that's why he didn't allow me get him. But all the same, I won't say anything because if I just open up, you will know everything about it. I just want you to watch Chief Imo Comedy television for you to get all that is happening here. You can see me wearing uniform. You know the meaning of this. First time of doing this. Chief Imo, Aginwaka, thank you for giving me this kind of role because I've not done this before. And I'm so happy and excited. For Chief Imo, for the production, for everybody.
Ready?
Roll it and action. Got it.
Ya hapụrụ nwunye m aka maka chi ya bụrụ hapụrụ nwunye m aka mme nke ebela bụla elu n'ụkọ ọ na-eyi ụzọ ụra n'ime klaasị.
Let's go. At this point now, Chief, we'll leave her attack. If when you attack, rush come again. Let's go. Ready? The Maggie at you. Something like that. Okay.